All right, one little last piece here on this chapter section on distributive property where we're being asked to write and simplify expressions. And so we're given here a verbal expression. We're asked to do two things. First, we're going to write this as an algebraic expression. And then secondly, we're going to simplify it. So let's read this, what we got. Use the expression 5 times the difference of q squared and r plus 8 times the sum of 3q plus 2r. So let's take this bit by bit. So here we got 5 times, well, 5 times what? 5 times the difference of q squared and r. So let's go ahead and write that. We're going to have 5 times, there's parentheses, that's going to mean times, q squared minus r, the difference of q squared and r. Now let's finish out the second half of this. Plus, well, I'll go ahead and put my plus sign in here. Plus 8 times the sum, and sum is add, 8 times, go ahead and put my parentheses, the sum of 3q plus 2r. Okay, so converting this from this verbal to this algebraic expression, I got 5 times q squared minus r plus 8 times 3q plus 2r. Now let's go ahead and simplify this. Well, I'm going to distribute the 5 and the q squared. So I got 5q squared. And then I'm going to distribute the 5 times the negative r. It's going to give me negative 5r. Now let's distribute the second half of this. So I still got a plus here. I'm going to distribute 8 times 3q. Well, that's going to be 24q. And I've got 8 times 2r. And that is going to be 8 times 2r is going to be 16r. All right, now I'm looking to see if I can combine any like terms. Well, I got a 5q squared, negative 5r plus 24q plus 16r. Well, even though I've got some expressions with q's in it, q squared, 5q squared is not the same term as 24q. Q squared and q are not the same term. But this negative 5r and this 16r, those are like terms. So let's go ahead and simplify this. We got 5q squared plus 24q plus 11r. All right, we've done it. Okay, well, let's tackle one more. So here we got a verbal expression. It says 6 times the difference of 2a and b increased by 4b. Let's see. So we got 6 times what? The difference of 2a and b. So we got 6 times 2a, and we're asked to do the difference. So that's 2a minus b. And then the last part is just simply increased by b, 4b. So increased is just plus. So over here we got plus 4b. All right, let's go ahead and simplify this. We're going to start by using our distributive property. And so we've got 6 times 2a gives us 12a. And 6 times negative b is going to give us negative 6b. Distributing this to this. And here we got plus 4b. Okay, now we're going to look to see, okay, what terms can we combine? Well, I can see here, I just got one term with an a in it, that's 12a, but I've got these two terms right here that both have a variable of b. So I got negative 6b plus 4b. So negative 6b plus 4b is going to be negative 2b. And we're going to finalize this by 12a minus 2b, and we are done.